I'm Siddharth Choudhari. I'm an instrumentation engineer by profession and I'm really proud to introduce myself. First of all, I would like to thank VESIT to give us this platform as an alumni to speak about instrumentation and more specifically what it is like to do instrumentation from VESIT. Just to give a brief introduction about myself, I passed out from VESIT in the year 2015. Later I started working with Thyssenkrupp Industrial Solutions India in the instrumentation department. For those of you who are new to this term instrumentation, just to summarize what instrumentation is. So instrumentation is the science of measurement and control. As a student, when you enter the stream of instrumentation, you would be systematically learning about what measurement is, what all parameters could be measured, how to do the measurement, and once you do the measurement, then what to do about the data you have. One key point about this instrumentation field is that you would be studying a variety of subjects in here. Just to name a few, you would be studying process instrumentation and transducers, which are my personal favorite. Then you would have analog electronics, digital electronics, even power electronics, embedded system, again one of my favorite subject. Then control systems, biomedical instrumentation, nuclear instrumentation, and really this list goes on and on. So with these examples, you could gauge yourself how diverse your study portfolio will be in this department. Now moving further, you would ask me that this is a common curriculum for all the students. Now what makes VESIT stand apart? So to answer that, I would tell you that with this curriculum, VESIT has really two strong pillars to complement it. The first one are the professors here. The professors are the technical experts in their fields and they really do take efforts to ensure that your concepts get crystal clear. They are very approachable, and then in case of any queries, I would guarantee you that you would never hesitate to contact any professor there. So now theoretically the students would become very good with the teaching here, but VESIT really has good resources to even give them a practical exposure. And now here comes the second pillar that I was talking about, are the very well set laboratories of instrumentation department. The labs are well equipped and very well maintained. As a pass out from VESIT, I could personally testify that VESIT has the best setup for process instrumentation and the transducers lab. As a student, once you go there, you would be totally amazed to see that setup, and I would guarantee that you would love doing your practicals in there. Now moving towards some non-technical part that I loved about VESIT, the first part is the very friendly environment that you will find here. As I already pointed out that the teachers are super friendly, but another thing that I found interesting was that the juniors and seniors really have a very good bonding. As a junior, it is natural that you would feel intimidated as to how your seniors would turn out to be, but that is not the case here. The culture in instrumentation department is developed such that there would be no senior or junior gap you will find here, and you will develop a great bond even with your seniors. The second part that I love most about instrumentation department is that they have a very active ISA chapter. For those who don't know what ISA is International Society of Automation, and it is a technical society for instrumentation. They conduct a lot of technical events throughout the curriculum or throughout the year. The students have a chance to become its member as well as become a part of its core committee. And as a person who was a part of core committee, I would strongly recommend to all the students that please do not miss your chance to be a part of this society. Now moving on to one of the key part, that is the placements in VESIT. VESIT has a really good track record of for placements. Many core companies do visit VESIT for the requirements of instrumentation engineers. The placement team works really hard and they do their best to bring on more and more companies so that more and more students can get placed every year. Now this is the most brief and the shortest possible way in which I could explain my views on instrumentation and instrumentation in VESIT. Practically I could go on hours and hours speaking on these topics. So in case you have any confusion related to these topics or any queries, you can contact me directly. Now with this I conclude. All the best to you and all the very best for your future. Thank you.